No, wait a minute. This is the switch. Okay. You know what? Maybe this is right. This is the one. Maybe this is the one. Maybe because they use it as a three-way. Yeah, they use it as a three-way. So he run through the thing over there.
Aquí hay una here. It's a 2x12.
Yeah, but 2x12 in the middle. You mean the...
Sí. Over here.
Like a bigger?
Yeah, like a bigger.
How do they pass the cable over there?
Under.
Under?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hold on, let me see. I'm kind of thinking. So he got the power from here. He got 12.3 here. I'm done.
Clean. Don't clean. Antes pensaba que era señor de ya hablabas más. No llegas ni a una silla.
Maybe you don't need to remove the cable. You can use that one. I think the power is here. You just keep that one, use that one as a, because it's a three-way. But we just want to make sure. I think you're right. That's the one go over there. I'm gonna check this one. Is one of them in the power? Maybe one of this one is the power. They supply the other bathroom. This is the hot one. This is the hot, the bottom one. Okay. Now we know where the power kababayan. This one. Then we can remove that one over there. And the 12-3 the switch. That's why they supply that one. Okay. You don't have to remove the cable. Use that one as a 3-way to supply everything. And this one I'm gonna cancel it. That's the one. This one they supply. Once we cancel that one, then you run this one to this one. You change the box. Then we're gonna have a power for everything, the light. For the one that you're gonna run for the recess light 1. And the one over there for the sink. 7, basically 7. 2, 3, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the middle. I'm gonna cancel this one now. So no more power here and no more cable on that side too. Okay, so we are lucky that we find out the cable that supply that one. So what we need to do, we just cancel this one.
La cuenta. ¿Qué cuenta? La cuenta de dónde se puede. Hoy le voy a invitar a la ¿no? I'm gonna remove that line. Pull it out, and then no more power of that one. Is it no more? Okay, that one's no more. Cancel. I'm gonna turn down now. Here's the white and then the green one.
Gales le ganó a Irán 6-2. Estados Unidos va con Inglaterra, con Gales. Ya jugó la selecta juega mañana. ¿De Argentina o no? Suecia. Polonia. Los polacos. Hoy juega tu equipo. ¿Italia? No. Estados Unidos.